I spent 50 hours testing 100 AI prompts. 90 were complete garbage, but these 10 changed everything. And I'm gonna give you all 10, word for word, so you can copy, paste, and use them today. No fluff, no theory, just prompts that actually save time. Here's what most people don't understand about AI. It's not the tool that matters, it's how you ask. A bad prompt gets you generic garbage. A good prompt, that's when AI becomes magic. Let's get into it. Before we start, let me explain how I tested these. I didn't just try random prompts from the internet. I built a system. First, I collected 100 prompts from Reddit, Twitter, Medium, ChatGPT forums, and Claude communities. Second, I tested each one on the same task using ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. On was third, I scored them on 3 criteria. Time saved, does it actually make me faster? Output quality, is it good enough to use without heavy editing? Consistency, does it work every time or just sometimes? The prompts that made this list scored 8 out of 10 or higher on all 3. And here's the best part. These aren't niche, these work for almost any knowledge worker. Marketers, consultants, project managers, writers, analysts, you name it. Let's go through them.
Prompt number 1, the email transformer. Copy this exactly. Why this works. Most people write emails that are way too long. This prompt cuts your email writing time from 10 minutes to 30 seconds. I tested this on 25 different emails, client updates, meeting requests, follow-ups. Every single time, the output was better than my original draft. Before using this prompt, 10 minutes per email, 5 to 6 drafts. After, 30 seconds. 1 draft, done. Time saved per week, 2 to 3 hours. Prompt 2, the meeting extractor. This one is gold if you're in back-to-back meetings. Why this is a game changer. Before, I'd spend 20 to 30 minutes after every meeting writing notes. Now, I paste the Firefly's transcript, run this prompt, and I'm done in 60 seconds. The output is so good, I just copy/paste it into Notion and send it to the team. No one knows it's AI. Time saved per meeting, 25 minutes. If you have 5 meetings per week, that's over 2 hours saved. Prompt number 3, the research synthesizer. Use this when you need to understand something fast. Real example, I had to research AI agents in supply chain for a client proposal. Normally, I'd read 10 articles, take notes, synthesize, 3 hours minimum. With this prompt, I pasted 5 articles, got a perfect summary in 2 minutes. The client loved it. They had no idea it took me 2 minutes. Time saved, 2 hours, 58 minutes. Prompt number 4, the content calendar generator. For anyone creating content, LinkedIn, Twitter, newsletters, whatever. Why this is insane. Creating a month of content used to take me 4 to 5 hours. Planning, brainstorming, organizing. Now, 3 minutes. I get 20 ideas, all structured, ready to write. I tested this across 3 different industries: marketing, finance, health tech. Worked perfectly every time. Time saved, 4+ hours per month. Prompt number 5, the report writer. This one saved my ass more times than I can count. Real use case. I had to create a quarterly performance report for my manager. Raw data in a spreadsheet. Normally takes 2 to 3 hours to write. With this prompt, 5 minutes. The report was so good, my manager forwarded it to the VP. Time saved, 2 hours, 55 minutes. And honestly, the AI version was better than what I would have written manually. Prompt 6, the Brainstorm Multiplier. When you're stuck and need ideas fast. Why this works. Most brainstorming takes forever and produces mediocre ideas. This prompt gives you 10 options, pre-filtered by risk level in under 2 minutes. I used this for a campaign pitch. Client loved 3 of the bold ideas. We ran with one. It worked. Time saved, 1-2 hours per brainstorm session. Prompt 7, the technical translator. For when you need to explain complex stuff to non-technical people. Real example. I had to explain machine learning model training to a sales team. The technical doc was 10 pages of jargon. This prompt turned it into a 150-word explanation using a teaching a dog tricks analogy. Sales team understood it immediately. Time saved, 1+ hour. Prompt 8, the presentation outliner. Building a deck from scratch? Use this. Why this saves time? The hardest part of making a deck isn't the design, it's the structure. This prompt gives you the skeleton in 2 minutes. Then you just fill in the visuals with Canva, which we covered in video 1. Total deck creation time, 20 minutes instead of 3 hours. Time saved, 2 hours, 40 minutes. Prompt 9, the feedback formatter. For managers or anyone giving feedback. Why this matters. Giving good feedback is hard. This prompt structures your thoughts so the feedback lands well. I tested this before a 1-1 with a junior team member. The conversation went smoother. They actually appreciated the clarity. Time saved, 15-20 minutes per feedback session.
Prompt 10, the learning accelerator. Last one. This is for anyone trying to learn something fast. Real use case, I needed to understand tokenization in LLMs for a meeting. No background in this. Normally, I'd spend hours reading. This prompt gave me everything I needed in 5 minutes. I sounded competent in the meeting. No one knew I'd learned it that morning. Time saved 2+ hours.
Alright, let's recap. The 10 prompts that actually work. 1. Email transformer, 10 minutes to 30 seconds. 2. Meeting extractor, 30 minutes to 1 minute. 3. Research synthesizer, 3 hours to 2 minutes. 4. Content calendar, 5 hours to 3 minutes. 5th, report writer, 3 hours to 5 minutes. 6th, brainstorm multiplier, 2 hours to 2 minutes. 7th, technical translator, 1 hour to 5 minutes. 8th, presentation outliner, 3 hours to 20 minutes. 9th, feedback formatter, 20 minutes to 5 minutes. 10th, learning accelerator, 2 hours to 5 minutes. Total time saved per week if you use all 10, conservatively, 15 to 20 hours. Realistically, 20 to 30 hours. Here's the thing, these prompts don't make AI smarter, they make you more effective. Because AI is only as good as your input. Garbage prompt equals garbage output. Great prompt equals game-changing output. And now you have 10 great prompts. All you have to do is use them. If this video saved you time, do 3 things. 1. Download the prompt library. I've put all 10 prompts in a free Google Doc with examples and customization tips. Link is in the description. No email required. 2. Subscribe to this channel. Every week, I test AI tools, share strategies, and break down what actually works. No hype. 3. Comment below and tell me which prompt you're trying first, or tell me what task you want a prompt for. I read every comment and might make a follow-up video. Thanks for watching. And remember, AI doesn't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI will. See you in the next one.